Recent federal vehicle regulations have opened the door for K-Class commercial vehicles in the United States, and the Suzuki Carry is positioned to capitalize on this opportunity with a revolutionary $8,000 price point. While traditional American trucks continue pushing toward luxury territory with average transaction prices exceeding $50,000, this Japanese compact utility vehicle offers a completely different approach, focused on pure functionality and affordability. Revolutionary cabover engineering. The Suzuki Carry employs a cabover design philosophy that maximizes utility within minimal dimensions. Unlike traditional American trucks with extended hoods, the driver sits directly above the front axle, eliminating wasted space and dedicating every inch to practical cargo capacity. This engineering approach, refined over 6 decades since the original 1961 Suzuki, represents the 11th generation of continuous improvement, focused on one core principle: maximum cargo capacity within the smallest possible footprint. This design philosophy emerged from Japan's unique transportation challenges, including narrow urban streets and tight agricultural pathways that demanded efficient solutions. The current international variant heading to American shores builds upon this heritage while meeting global safety and emission standards. Japanese engineers have spent decades perfecting this formula, creating a vehicle that looks unconventional to American eyes but makes perfect sense once you understand the engineering rationale behind every design decision. The entire cargo bed utilizes galvanized steel construction with specialized underbody sealers and stainless steel exhaust components, addressing durability concerns that plague traditional truck owners dealing with rust and corrosion after just a few years of commercial use. Anyone who has watched their truck bed deteriorate despite careful maintenance will appreciate this attention to long-term durability. The galvanized coating extends the vehicle's service life significantly, particularly important for commercial operators in coastal environments or regions using road salt during winter months. Compact dimensions with surprising capability. The International Suzuki Carry measures 165 inches in total length and just under 70 inches in width, positioning it perfectly for last-mile delivery operations requiring navigation through narrow urban environments while maintaining substantial cargo capacity. These dimensions place it significantly smaller than any current American truck offering, yet the cargo bed delivers 101 inches of length and 65 inches of width, creating approximately 46 square feet of loading area sufficient for furniture, construction materials, and agricultural supplies. The strategic bed height of just 30 inches above ground level dramatically reduces physical strain during repetitive loading and unloading cycles, a critical consideration for commercial operators making dozens of stops daily. This ergonomic advantage becomes increasingly important as businesses focus on reducing workplace injuries and improving employee comfort during long shifts. The low deck height also enables easier loading of heavy equipment without requiring lift gates or ramps that add complexity and maintenance costs. The 87-inch wheelbase enables U-turns in spaces requiring 3-point turns from full-size pickups, translating to measurable time savings during delivery routes and job sites with limited maneuvering space. This agility proves particularly valuable in urban environments where parking spaces continue shrinking and delivery vehicles must navigate increasingly congested streets. Commercial operators report significant productivity gains when switching from traditional trucks to more maneuverable alternatives. This short wheelbase combined with lightweight construction allows access to locations where larger trucks struggle, including narrow construction sites, crowded urban markets, and agricultural areas with weight-sensitive terrain. The compact footprint doesn't sacrifice capability, but rather optimizes it for specific use cases where traditional American trucks prove inefficient or simply cannot access required locations. Proven powertrain for American conditions. Suzuki equips the American market Carry with the K15B engine, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 97 horsepower and 100 pound-feet of torque. While these specifications appear modest compared to turbocharged American truck engines, the K15B delivers peak torque at low RPM, providing strong pulling power from idle conditions ideal for commercial applications requiring frequent stops and starts. The engine's design prioritizes industrial reliability over peak power output, featuring robust internals capable of extended operation under varying load conditions. This approach contrasts sharply with modern American truck engines that optimize for maximum power ratings, often requiring premium fuel and frequent maintenance intervals. The K15B operates efficiently on regular gasoline while providing consistent performance across its operating range. The standard 5-speed manual transmission offers durability and precise control favored by commercial operators, while the optional auto gear shift system provides automated clutch operation and gear changes while maintaining mechanical simplicity. This system addresses urban delivery requirements where constant shifting and stop-and-go traffic creates driver fatigue and reduces efficiency. Unlike complex automatic transmissions found in modern trucks, the auto gear shift system retains mechanical reliability while eliminating clutch operation difficulty. Fuel economy represents a significant competitive advantage, with international models routinely achieving over 30 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. For commercial fleet operators managing multiple vehicles, these efficiency gains translate to thousands of dollars in annual fuel savings compared to traditional American trucks averaging 18 to 22 miles per gallon in similar applications. At current fuel prices, the difference between 20 miles per gallon and 32 miles per gallon creates substantial operating cost advantages over vehicle life cycles. Serious work capability in compact package. The 8.5-foot cargo bed length and 5.4-foot width accommodate full sheets of plywood or drywall without overhang, while the reinforced steel bed floor handles daily commercial abuse. This cargo area matches or exceeds many midsize American trucks while packaging the space within a significantly smaller external footprint. The flat loading surface eliminates wheel wells and intrusions that complicate cargo loading in traditional truck designs. Payload capacity reaches 2,800 pounds on international 1.5-liter models, providing genuine 1-ton capability in a vehicle weighing approximately 1,630 pounds empty. This payload-to-curb weight ratio exceeds most American trucks by significant margins, reflecting the efficiency gains possible through purpose-built commercial vehicle design rather than adapting passenger car platforms for commercial use. Front suspension utilizes McPherson struts with coil springs for precise steering and ride quality, while the rear employs a rigid axle with leaf springs for optimal weight distribution under heavy loads. This traditional commercial vehicle approach ensures the suspension maintains proper geometry when loaded to capacity, unlike independent rear suspension systems that can suffer geometry changes under load. The leaf spring design also enables easier modification for specific applications requiring altered load capacities or specialized mounting points. Towing capacity reaches 1,650 pounds with the 1.5-liter engine, sufficient for utility trailers, boat trailers, and equipment haulers commonly used in small business and agricultural applications. Despite the modest engine displacement, low-end torque delivery, and available 4-wheel drive, enable the Carry to handle rated loads up steep grades without strain. The 4-wheel drive system employs a simple part-time transfer case suitable for off-road conditions and low-traction surfaces. Practical interior and safety features. Suzuki relocated the shift lever from floor to dashboard position, dramatically increasing legroom for both driver and passenger while facilitating movement across the cabin when parked in confined spaces requiring exit through the passenger side. This interior optimization reflects the practical focus evident throughout the vehicle's design, prioritizing functionality over conventional automotive styling conventions. Visibility represents a critical safety advantage, with large glass surfaces and an expansive windshield providing unobstructed views, essential for navigating tight spaces and backing into loading docks. The upright seating position and thin roof pillars maximize sight lines in all directions, addressing common commercial vehicle challenges in urban environments where pedestrians and cyclists create complex traffic situations requiring excellent peripheral vision. The cabin design acknowledges that commercial vehicles serve as mobile offices for many operators, providing adequate storage for paperwork, tools, and personal items without compromising essential controls or safety equipment. Cup holders, document storage, and small item organization receive attention typically overlooked in vehicles focused primarily on recreational use. Standard safety equipment includes dual S airbags and anti-lock brakes across all models. Higher trim levels add parking sensors and engine immobilizers for theft prevention. Connectivity features include Bluetooth hands-free calling on base models, with upper trims offering touchscreen displays and smartphone integration. The Super Carry variant provides extended cabin configuration with overhead storage and additional space behind seats for tools and equipment. Market-disrupting pricing strategy. Base models start at $8,000, establishing the Carry as the most affordable new truck available in America by over $20,000 compared to current alternatives. Even fully loaded variants remain under $15,000, operating in a completely different price category than traditional American trucks. The cheapest current midsize pickup starts around $28,000, while compact offerings like the Ford Maverick begin near $30,000. Creating a massive pricing gap that the Carry exploits effectively. This pricing strategy becomes possible through simplified feature content, efficient manufacturing processes, and focus on essential functionality rather than luxury amenities that drive costs higher in American market vehicles. Suzuki's global manufacturing scale and decades of experience producing affordable commercial vehicles enable pricing levels impossible for domestic manufacturers constrained by different cost structures and market expectations. Operating costs extend these savings through fuel economy exceeding 30 miles per gallon and simple mechanical systems requiring minimal specialized service. Insurance rates are expected to reflect the vehicle's lower value and commercial utility focus rather than performance or luxury characteristics that increase coverage costs. These combined factors create total cost of ownership, advantages particularly attractive to small business operators managing tight margins where every dollar directly impacts profitability. Launch timing targets late 2025 through 2026, depending on importation infrastructure development and distribution network establishment. Initial focus on commercial fleet sales and agricultural markets aligns with the vehicle's utility-first design philosophy and addresses market segments underserved by current American truck offerings that increasingly target recreational and luxury buyers. Game-changing market position. The Suzuki Carry represents the first honest, affordable workhorse to enter the American truck market in decades. Its 165-inch footprint delivers an 8.5-foot cargo bed and 2,800-pound payload capacity while navigating city streets with ease. Available four-wheel drive handles terrain challenging larger trucks, while the efficient powertrain returns exceptional fuel economy. The revolutionary $8,000 starting price creates accessibility for small business owners and farmers previously priced out of the new truck market. Subscribe to stay updated on the evolving mini-truck revolution transforming American commercial transportation and hit the notification bell for the latest market developments.